Hey guys, welcome to my basement. Right now, I'm gonna give you a little tour of our home, things going on. So, we're in the basement, which we've been doing a lot of home construction, like a lot of home construction. If you've been watching the channel, you've been seeing some craziness. So, this is gonna be our new main living space for the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen's not in there. Behind me is the music room, which will be going in, and a bathroom and a laundry room. Now we're in the living room, and here's a room that has been almost completed, the office. So we got a lot of things happening. I'm going to show you guys the next level up, which is where construction is almost to be completed, and I'm going to show you a little bit of chaos happening in our lives. So right here will be one of the kids' bedrooms, and here's the next one. Whoa, that is cool. What are you guys doing over here?
We are Paw Patrol!
Paw Patrol!
Race to the rescue!
I won the game! Don't get it, don't
Jacob
get
won. We're seeing who's coming in second. Oh, I don't get to go!
I have to do it for my own good! But you have to get purple.
Oh, we got blue!
So over here, we got the living room,
Yeah.
and the kids have just got some of the attic put together. So thank you guys for watching. Caleb Pierce, a father who loves to have fun with his kids, and we're gonna get you guys some more videos coming right up.
Are you crying for real? Not real. Oh, he's not really crying. Okay, good.
You let your kid cry.
No, he
He's
lost. It's okay.
He's sad
It
because
happened.
he was the loser.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I was Marshall! Yay, I won! No, I was Marshall.
Okay, it's kind of a game of luck. It really doesn't take any skill, so.
I was Marshall Zecca. No, it takes your skill on how could you spin it. Mom.
Jacob has good spinning skills.
Because I got purple on my first shot when I got over there.
Awesome!
So I have better spinning skills than you and Zach.
Oh yeah!
Because you're
I have
mama
second
like that?
best.
second best. I have second best, you mean? No, you have last. Because you're the... Why